put out those videos where they say देखो इसमें तो ठीक चल रही है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसमें वो they allege ड्रामा कर रही है, ऐसे ऐसे करके चल रही है जैसे चोट लगी. How do you respond to that? We'll have those videos on the screen, then you can explain what happened, because this thing जब actually went to her, then तो she's walking fine, and much later after the event their allegation is that now Swati ji is walking as if she's got hurt, but why didn't it happen when it originally happened?
Rahul, have you ever got hurt? I mean, do you realize that the kind of injuries that I am talking about, which are mainly muscular injuries, they take some time to set in? Do you think that when you are being beaten up, if suppose somebody puts a bullet through someone, that person will still get up and will run because that person wants to escape and also wants justice. So in such a scenario, to keep saying in these videos, by the way, they are all doctored. What is the source? Are they actually the original one? Has the timestamp? Because you can't see the timestamp. Has it been sped? One doesn't understand. So what I'm trying to say is that at a moment when you have been beaten up, the first feeling that you have is that you are agitated and you want some justice. I knew that the police officers are outside. I'm walking because if I had to do some drama, I would do the drama from day one. No, why am I doing drama from after 4 days? The moment it sinks in, those muscular injuries, that is the time when actually you realize how much pain you are in. अगर मैं गलत हूँ तो जो फांसी की सज़ा होती है ना, वो भी आप मुझे दे देना, और मैं तैयार हूँ अपना लाइव नार्को टेस्ट कराने के लिए, क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल झूठ नहीं बोल रही. मैंने जो बात बोली है उस कंप्लेंट में, उस एफआईआर में, बिल्कुल वर्ड टू वर्ड सही है, उसमें कुछ भी झूठ नहीं.
You are okay with a live narco test which can be broadcast on TV live for you to be tested? Is that what you're saying?
Absolutely.
क्योंकि अगर आप झूठ बोल रहे हो तो पकड़ा जाएगा एक सेकंड.
I am true to that extent. क्योंकि मैं अगर झूठ बोल रही होती तो मैं कभी ये नहीं कर पाती. मैं सिर्फ इसलिए ये कर पा रही हूँ, ये कंप्लेंट फाइल कर पा रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं पूरी तरीके से सच्ची हूँ और मेरे साथ मेरा सच है. और क्योंकि मेरे साथ मेरा सच है, मुझे पता है आज मेरे साथ कोई भी नहीं है. मैं बिल्कुल अकेली लड़ाई लड़ रही हूँ, पर मैं ये लड़ाई अंत तक लड़ूंगी, बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज एब्सोल्युटली द ट्रूथ. So this is exactly what happens in our country whenever a woman raises her voice against any kind of an assault, whether it is sexual or otherwise. In Delhi Commission for Women, we have handled 170,000 cases in 9 years. I have met with thousands of survivors, domestic violence survivors, assault survivors, sexual assault survivors. And I'll tell you one thing that is common in all of them. That one thing is that the moment she raises her voice, the entire society points her fingers at it. All these doctored videos, what is the source of these videos? Why is it that I, a member of parliament, would go to the chief minister's house and try and file a false case? What do I get in the return? Today, I'm completely isolated. There is nobody with me. I'm completely isolated. The party has hounded me. Its leaders have hounded me. They have tried to taint me. They have tried to paint me as a villain. And you see, the chief minister, in whose drawing room I was beaten up, has actually completely sided with the accused.
Why do you think he's doing that?
That is something that I think he needs to answer. Because you see, he was roaming around with the accused. He actually protested for the accused. He was there on the streets protesting for him. This much he even didn't do for Manish Sisodia ji. So, and the kind of victim shaming and the kind of character assassination that each and every leader in the party has been asked to do, I think it is shocking. All my personal friends who also belong to the party, they have been threatened that if they talk to me, their roles in the parties will be taken away. My personal friends have been completely, right now, they've been pressurized. Give any kind of a video of her. Give a video of her where she's dancing. Give a video of her where she's laughing. Is that what educated people in a party which is supposed to bring about a change, is that okay? I don't think it is okay, and I know I'm absolutely isolated. I know today I'm feeling absolutely shattered. I've lost everything, and but still I'll continue the fight.